Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I bring you this game theme decorations that I'm going to show you how to make it. Now, if you don't have time to make it and you don't want to make it, Special Creations by Nelly is also doing Party in a Box, where you get all these items in a box and you just have to set it up. So for that, I will be launching my new website in a week. So if you want to know more about it, I will suggest you to go to my Facebook page and like my page, and I will let you know that all the details in there. Also, I will put, once I open, I will put the link down there. With that said, let's get started into this video. So the first thing I did was grab one glass that it has a circle, any shape that brings the shape of circle. Just go ahead and trace it out. Then you're gonna go ahead and cut it out. You're gonna line up your circle just like that, and then you're gonna take your string and you're gonna take your hot glue and put a little bit of hot glue in the middle of the circle just like that, and then you're gonna go ahead and place your string in the middle like that so it can attach. Then just go ahead and continue doing your circle until you do the whole thing. Just keep putting your glue and putting your thing. One thing that I would like you guys to do is just to try to do it the same length of the string, so it won't be one taller than the other one. It won't look on level, so just make sure to try to do it the same length. Then I went ahead and grabbed a piece of black paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and measure 7 inches down and 5 inches across for length and width. And then I'm just going to go ahead and draw my shape. I'm just going to go ahead and take the middle, measure to the middle as well, that I forgot to do that. And make sure to use a ruler here so your line will be straight and it won't be all crooked. So then I went ahead and grabbed my scissors, and then I'm going to start cutting them out. You're going to go ahead and continue cutting your shape just like that until you do the whole thing. Remember, you're going to be repeating this process until you cut whatever you want the banner to say. So then once you cut everything out, you're going to go ahead and grab a hole punch and punch your hole on each side. Then go ahead and grab your letters. These you can find at Michael, Walmart, Dollar Tree, or you could draw it and trace it yourself. Then you're going to go ahead and glue it, and then after you glue it to the banner, you're going to take your string and put it through your banner, and this is how cute it turns out. You can write whatever you would like to say. I wrote level 10. Then go ahead and grab your tablecloth, open it up, and after you unfold it, after you open it, just go ahead and unfold it. And this, you could decide on what size you would like it to be, and then just go ahead and cut it through it, but it could be from 6 to 7 inches. Then go ahead and cut it all the way through it just like that. Continue cutting the whole thing. Make sure to try to cut it at the same length on the top so it won't be uneven. So then you're just going to go ahead and continue cutting it until you cut the whole shape, the whole thing. Then once you're done cutting it, then just go ahead and open it up, just like that. Open all the way up and just line them up on your table like that and fix it. And then after you're done fixing it and placing it like that, just go ahead the middle and start folding it. On this part, make sure to fold it very small and with a lot of strength so it could be good and it won't be too wide at the top at the end. So then after you do that, just go ahead and fold it in half just like that. Then go ahead and grab your tape, and you're going to tape it in the middle just like that. Make sure to use clear tape. I'm using this tape so you can see better, but if you use the clear, you won't be able to show. And this is how cute it turns out. Then you will have to cut it to, if it's too long, to whatever size you would like, and then just go ahead and cut it out. And after that, you're going to go ahead and take a string. This is if you don't want to put it with the banner. If you just want to place it and hang it around, then go ahead and put it through your little string at the top, just like that. And then it will give you your little banner. Then go ahead and grab a piece of paper, 8.5 by 11 inches, and you're just going to go ahead and start drawing your remote control. Like that. Just gonna go ahead and continue drawing until you do the whole thing. This is not as hard as you think. If you cannot draw, you can also purchase it at my shop. So then after I continue drawing and I do the whole thing just like that. Then go ahead and grab your scissor and you're going to go ahead and cut it out. Then after you cut the whole thing, you are going to draw your remote control part. You're going to draw 2 big circles, 4 small, and a cross. And then you're just going to go ahead and do the same process, and you're going to go ahead and cut it out. Just like that. You're going to continue cutting it until you cut all the parts that you need. Then once you're done, you're going to place it on top just like that, but you will need some double-sided tape and attach it to your remote control. So you will need the other part, so you just take another piece of paper, place it on top, and just trace it around and leave a little gap so you can have that space to put it on top. And just like that. Then go ahead and grab your scissor, and you're going to go ahead and cut it out the same way you did the other ones. And there you have it. You have your remote control. So now I'm going to show you how I set up everything. So then I just went ahead and grabbed a tablecloth from Dollar Tree. Make sure to fold it right. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and take the side and take the top just like that, and then fold it like that. So it could look nice. Just go ahead and tape it on the side. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other sides as well. And then just go ahead, fold it and tape it just like that. Make sure your tape is always looking nice. That's going to be your main focus on any party decoration. Then I went ahead and grabbed this backdrop. I will put the link down below where you can get them. They have different colors and sizes. It's very inexpensive. So then I went ahead and put it on the top. This one brings the whole thing together, but mine, I'm reusing it. So that's why it looks like that. So yours is going to look even better. So just go ahead and tape it to your wall. Then after that, just go ahead and grab your, where you created before, this little backdrop design to make it look cute. And you're going to just go ahead and place it on top, and make sure to tape the last one with tape so it can hold it in place. And you're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Then go ahead and grab your sign and put it in the center. Just like that, use some double-sided tape. Then I went ahead and grabbed my banners, and I'm just going to go ahead and tape it to the sides of the table. And here you see how I tape it to the side of the table, and you can see the tape. Another way that you could do it is before you put before you fold the table, put the banner and then fold the table on top, so then the tape will not show. I forgot to do it on this part, but you could do it better than me. So this is another idea that I'm showing you. Then after that, I went ahead and grabbed my cupcake toppers, and I put it on my table in my favorite boxes, and it looks super cute, guys. And this is how beautiful everything turns out. I hope you guys like it. Remember, if you want to purchase this party in a box, you can always look me up on Facebook. Also, I will be launching my new website, so you can just always check it out. I will be putting the link down below, so you could just go ahead and check it out to get this amazing party in a box theme decorations. You can send to do any custom made party decoration that you would like. This is just an idea or thing that I can be providing for you guys. Thank you again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.